A coffee-flavored dessert we all love. Something to perk you up. Tiramisu. Let's start cooking. So today, gagawa tayo ng Italian-inspired na dessert. But it's not so authentic because we are replacing the traditional mascarpone cheese with cream cheese. We will combine our water and our rum. Ito kasi dapat may coffee liqueur siya, but we're just using dark rum and sugar. We will make a syrup. So we let that cook down into a thick syrup. Yan. And on the other side, meron akong egg yolks. This is 5 egg yolks. Ito siya, dahil we're cooking off the alcohol, pwede na siyang pangbata. No? So, all that remains, that rum flavor, where all the alcohol will be cooked out. So, I will start off by beating my egg yolks. Yan. Until it transforms into a light yellow foam. Yan, no? We are aerating it, no? Gusto natin pumasok yung air sa ating egg yolks. And you will notice, from a very dark yellow, magiging lemon yellow na siya. So, you can do this for your family, for the holidays, at pwede ding pang negosyo. Yan. And this is perfect when it's served cold. Ang sarap nito talaga. And it's a very popular cafe dessert, no? So, this one is not so authentic, but still very delicious and sinful. Yan, no? Nakikita natin na ating egg yolks are slowly, no, lifting up. Nag-iiba na yung kulay niya, dumadami na yung volume niya. And I'm just waiting for my sugar to really reduce. No? So we want all the liquid, the water, and the rum to evaporate. And as soon as that happens, we have a thick syrup, and we will add it here to our beaten egg yolks. To check the consistency of your sugar syrup, kuha ka ng fork or a teaspoon, and you let it drip in a bowl of water. So pag tumulo na yung sugar mo at namumuo na siya sa baba, ibig sabihin that your sugar is just right. Pero pag tumulo siya, nadidissolve, wala ka nang nakikita dun sa ilalim, ibig sabihin, kulang pa siya ng evaporation. So, eto, konti na lang. I already see the dollops of sugar here. Siguro in a minute, it will be done. Pero dapat, hindi rin masunog yung ating sugar. So, this one is a rum-flavored syrup. Very nice. Konti na lang, oh. Very nice. Oh. And here, look at my egg yolks. Ang egg yolks ko, light and fluffy. And nag-change siya yung color niya from a sunshine yellow to a very lemon yellow tone. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, nag-aerate na siya, nag-double na siya, or almost even triple the volume. When your sugar is right, softball stage, yan, a little bit more, ready na siya. We will turn down the speed of our mixer and slowly drizzle our syrup. Yan. Tempering, wag mong biglain or else you will have scrambled eggs. Yan. Combine. Yan. And vanilla. Yan. Add our vanilla extract. Let's scrape the sides to be sure that all our syrup is incorporated. And it's very important that you allow this to cool down, no? And let's set that aside to cool down a little bit. Yan. Very nice, very smooth, very fluffy. Yan. Set it aside to cool down. Yan. Scrape, scrape, scrape. And we're done. So let's make our cream cheese mixture. Usually, it's mascarpone, which is lighter in texture. But in the Philippines, mas accessible kasi yung cream cheese. Kaya yan ang gagawin natin. But we will lighten it with a little bit of whipping cream. So I'm using 2 bars of cream cheese and it has to be at least room temperature. So it's pliable and it's spreadable. Kasi ang mahirap dito, pag sobrang chilled ng inyong cream cheese, you won't be able to achieve a smooth texture. So let us soften our cream cheese using our paddle attachment. Kung wala, you can just use your mixer. Yan, until you have a very smooth consistency. Yan. Once everything is smooth, we will slowly add our cream. No? Slowly incorporate our cream. Drizzle. Be sure to pause in the middle and scrape the sides of your bowl. Yan. So that you're sure that everything is mixed in evenly, no? Walang nagbuo-buo na cream cheese sa ilalim. And now, it's time to add our sabayon or our egg mixture, our egg yolk mixture. Again, we will incorporate it. Medyo cool down na ang ating sabayon mixture. Or else, ang mangyayari dito ay magme-melt yung ating cream. Ang sarap nito. So ito, we're just using black coffee. You can also add coffee liqueur here para masosyal. Pero even instant coffee will do. Just use a good quality instant coffee. And you will use your lady fingers or browas which are already store-bought. Huwag na kayong gumawa. And let's start off ito. So let's add, ito will add a base. Parang refrigerator cake to. And let's start to layer. So ito ang ating browas. Quickly dip, no? Don't let it soak too much, no? Basa lang siya. Arrange. So, ito siya. Hindi siya masarap pag kinain mo agad. You really have to refrigerate this at least 6 hours or overnight. Ito mga putol-putol, pwede mo isuksok sa sides. For example, may mga, di ba, may mga maiksi. Ito yung pangdugtong mo. Ito, your kids will love this, no? Pag inassemble mo siya. Ito, gagawin mo tong version mo ng pinasosyal na mango float, di ba? Oo. Cream cheese yung base instead of just cream. So, mas malasa siya. So, dapat masarap yung coffee mo dito at very strong yung coffee flavor. Kasi siya nagdadala. Kaya nga, it's called pick me up or lift me up. Kasi ito, pag kinain mo to, medyo gigising ka talaga sa strong coffee flavor. So, you can make it as thick as you want. And let's just finish the remaining cream cheese mixture. Ating kapatid. So, be sure ha, pag sinusok mo yung inyong lady fingers or yung browas nyo, don't soak it for so long. Dapat medyo nabasa lang siya. Very quick. Let's clean up before we finish this dessert. Yan. And to remove the air pockets in between, what do? You just tap it lightly. Para mawala yung air pockets at all parts of our dessert. Yan. To finish, we will dust it with unsweetened cocoa powder, which is a classic. We spent around 400 pesos for this, for the ingredients. Of course, pag bumili ka by bulk, mas makakatipid ka. Yan. At pwede mo siyang ibenta na mga 250 to 275 per tub, no? So, pwede kang kumita ng hanggang 400 pesos kada batch ng recipe. So, discarte nyo yan if you want to sell it in bigger batches or smaller portions. This is a premium negosyo idea, premium gifts for the people you love. Sobrang sarap kasi we're using good quality cream cheese. Also for this, very rich but very strong coffee flavor. Ito na ang ating recipe for today. Pasok pang negosyo, Tiramisu, Simpol! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!